Hi, I'm Felipe Caputo and today we are making knishes. For this recipe we are using an onion, a medium-sized potato and duff that in this case is Pasqualina, but if you don't have Pasqualina you have to do all the procedure for making the duff. So first of all we have to wash and clean the potato for them to peel it and cut it. And then we have to also peel the onion for it to cut it. Once the potato and the onion are cut, you have to start boiling some water in a cooking pot for them to add approx 1 teaspoon of salt. So now we add the potatoes to the water. Carefully. In another cooking pot, first of all you're putting it on the fire and then you're adding oil. 2 teaspoons. Once the oil is already hot, we have to add the onion to the cooking pot. Once the onion is cooked, the potatoes we have to mash them for making smashed potatoes. Once the dough is prepared and stretched, you have to pick the mashed potatoes and the onion and put them in a line, in a unique line. So now we have to cut the dough and the mashed potatoes in halves. So now we have to grab each part and close its extremes. Each part should be like this. For them, and then you put each part in the baking dish. And now you put the knishes in the oven. After 10 minutes of cooking the knishes, you serve them in a plate, slowly and one by one. And now you can enjoy your knishes.